When I started this journey representing Camp Lejeune victims, as a Marine myself and as the son of a Marine, it was really just about making sure that my dad and his Marine buddies were taken care of. But what I've learned over the last year is that there are so many Marines and their families who just want an attorney that will actually talk to them. Somebody who will take their call or sit across the table from them and answer their questions honestly. And I've been truly humbled by the number of Camp Lejeune victims who have put their faith and trust in me and my firm. And now we owe it to them, to all of our clients, to grow our firm to make sure that we're continuing to give that personal interaction with each client. So when I decided that we needed to grow, I knew exactly the attorney that we needed to add.
I'm Matt Brooks, and I'm an attorney in the DC area where I live with my family. Before I joined the firm, I spent my legal career as a public servant in the federal government. First as a prosecutor, more recently as a fraud investigator, where I investigated programs that, similar to the Camp Lejeune Justice Act, dispersed billions in funding. It was my job to make sure the money went to folks who deserve it.
I've known Matt for almost 15 years. I know that he is a smart and tenacious attorney, and I knew he'd be a great addition to our Camp Lejeune team. His unique experience in the federal government is going to be invaluable to our clients, because he has seen how the federal government distributes funds in situations like what happened at Camp Lejeune. And he also lives in the Washington, D.C. area. And now so many of our Camp Lejeune clients are in that region and deserve to have an attorney local to them. But maybe most importantly of all, I knew that this case, what happened at Camp Lejeune, is deeply personal to Matt and his family.
My dad served in the Marines. My grandpa served in the Marines, fought in World War II. My uncle served in the Marines his entire career, buried at Arlington Cemetery. My cousin served in the Marines, fought in Afghanistan. I started researching Lejeune on my own. I read books, I watched videos. It became obvious to me that Lejeune was an issue I needed to do something about.
So what can you expect from our Camp Lejeune team? You're going to have passionate and knowledgeable attorneys who actually care about your case. And you're going to talk to us. We get to know our clients. Instead of using call centers, we give it our cell phone numbers. You can expect that we spend our days meeting our clients, presenting at veteran organizations, educating the Marines and their families about what happened at Camp Lejeune and what their rights are under the new law. And finally, you're going to be treated fairly. Most of the Camp Lejeune firms out there are charging victims 40% or more. We just don't think that's right. We're using a 25% fee agreement, so if you think that we can help, please give us a call. And Semper Fi, Marines.